spot right here. It's right here and around the circumference of the lace.
Blue eyes smiling while you're cursing. I admit it's working. You're working. Don't care.
Well gone people, it's your girl Nishoy and I'm back with another freaking video. So as you can see by the title down below, in today's video I'll be showing you guys how to cover up your bald spot in a wig or in your wig. So if you want to see the rest of the video, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Turn on your post notification bell because it keeps you posted whenever I upload a new video. And of course follow me on all my social media. It will be in the description box, also on the screen. Follow my business page at Bougie Necessities on Instagram also. Without further ado, let's jump straight into the video. Alright, so people, what I did, I just did a video. So if you haven't checked out that video as yet, please run on over there and check it out. I'm gonna put the link right up here in the top of this video right here. So just click on it to check out this video with this look, right? Alright, so what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna take this wig off. I had sprayed it, but I didn't spray it that much for it to glue. So the hair that we'll be working with is my curly bob cut wig. I had cut a bang in the front of it because the bald spots, of course. I'm gonna show you where the bald spots are. It's right here in the wig. And I'm gonna put it on my head. So I'm gonna show you how to cover it up and also how to get the frizz out of your wig, how to make it look pretty and sleek, you know, and those looks. Here we go. I'm just gonna put the wig on. Hold on. Alright. So I went in already and I did, like for the previous video I had done my edges. I'm not gonna chop my edges today. This closure, I think it was a 4x4, 5x7 closure, something like that. And I have this is my first ever wig. First wig. Alright, so in order to get your wig, in order to play around with your wig, you have to wet it up. So what I have in this bottle is some conditioner, what was it? This castor oil, not castor oil, tea tree oil, here thingy, and I'm just gonna spray it so it softens and it's easy to manage, right? So I'm just gonna comb through. You have to take your time because you don't want to pull out all your hair. So easy that look pretty. So now you guys can see what I'm talking about. Look at the bald spot right here. It's right here and around the circumference of the lace. See? Alright. To cover it up, you can go in with your little crochet needle and get rid of adding some hair. Cut a piece of hair off the track and just crochet it in here. But I'm not gonna do that today. I'm just gonna show you an easier way how to do it, right? So you can find a part that is not bald. You can part it. You can give yourself a side part. just one way to cover it up. Cover up that you have a bald spot in your wig, right? The next way is, so this is how you revive a wig. You want some conditioner, you put some conditioner and any oil you have, liquid oil, you can throw it in a bottle, shake it up and just spray your hair with it. It makes it soft, it makes it look less dry, and of course it revives it. Of course after a while it will poof up, just like in normal hair. Always have frizz. So if you want to walk with it, you can walk with it to keep on wetting your hair after a while. So the next thing you can do to cover up your bald spot. Let's do this. Let's do this. Let's do this. I can't do a center part again. I'm gonna have to go in with alright, so I'm just gonna pull this down. So this is just another way to cover up that you have a bald spot in your wig. And of course if the hair is human hair, it's much easier to maneuver and to manipulate. But this is it. So this is like the easiest, quickest way you can ever think of covering up a bald spot. Give it a side part or a little bang. Looks good. Alright people, so this is the end of the video. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Turn on your post notification bell. Please share the video, cause the more you share is the more people see the video. The more you like, the more YouTube push out my videos to other people. If you enjoyed this video, drop a comment in the comment section saying, yes girl, I enjoyed this video. With that said,